Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see a huge gap up opening on the chart of gold here. And if you're wondering why, what happened, then you can see gold climbs on US-Iran peace agreement. Gold climbed towards 4300 an ounce on Monday, advancing for a third consecutive session after the US and Iran reached a peace agreement that would reopen the Strait of Hormuz. As we all know, because of the tension on Middle East and because all the focus was on oil, gold was under pressure, and as they are reaching for a peace agreement, we can see that gold is getting bullish again, because Strait of Hormuz was closed, all the focus were on oil. Right now, because of the reopening and hopefully, things are going to be normal, because of which we can see gold is going up again. And now we can see that gold is trading above 4300 right now. And we can see clearly a structural shift on the chart of gold. In our previous videos also we discussed about the transition when market was trading somewhere around here. And in a previous video on Saturday, we discussed that there is a possibility of market going above 4244, 4250, this particular high here, because market was showing signs of bullishness, showing signs of transition. But yeah, gap up has happened. If you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position, because we can see that the trend of the market has changed, or there is a shift in the trend. But if you are having a sell right now, then you need to be careful, because there is a possibility that market will go up from here. Because I have received email and messages that many of you have been holding sell, you need to be careful, because we can see that there is a structural shift in the market here. But yes, as we all know, US President Donald Trump, he does a lot of things, that are not very good for traders like us, because he changes his mind very fast. So be careful, and keep in touch with the news. Anyways, right now at this point of time, let's discuss the trading opportunities that we have in front of us. So first and foremost, as we can see right now, that there was a gap up opening. As we all know, market doesn't like gaps, so there is a possibility that market may try to fill the gap. So if you are in a sell, this is your hope, because when market will be coming down to fill the gap, जब market नीचे आएगा gap fill करने के लिए, you can exit from the sell position. That may give an opportunity. So if market comes down for gap down opening, gap filling, you can look for a buy around the blue line, which is 4245, 4240. Remember the previous resistance? Yes, after filling the gap, there is a high chance that market will be taking support around this area. If it does, we can look for a buy position. But during the day, if you see the volume is low, for example, on the 15-minute chart of gold, right now you can clearly see the size of the candles are very small. Small candles means low volume. So during the day, if market remains like this, then obviously market is not coming to 4540. It is far away, बहुत दूर है. So we can look for a support around 4300, 4305. So if market takes support around this area also, as a day trader, you can look for a buy position. How much you can expect? I cannot tell you in terms of pips, because market has just opened, but at least you can expect one or two green candle, or you can just be on the trade for one or two green candles. So on the chart of gold, the best support is 424540 after filling the gap. If you are a seller, then you can exit from the sell position there as well, if you are stuck in a seller, अगर आप अटके हुए हो. But in a low volume market, chances of market coming to the 4245 is less. In that case, we can look for a support around 4300, 4305 as well. So these are the two buying opportunities on the chart of gold if market comes down. Now if market goes up from here, chances are quite high. If market goes up from here, then we have a little problem, because we have a big resistance, which is 4350, 4363. This is a big resistance. So during the day, if market goes up also, you can see number one is what? Number one is there is a possibility that market may fail and market may come down. If you see market showing price rejection from above, if you see market is facing resistance, you can look for a sell position, but once only. You can see on number 2, we have an arrow where we are showing after consolidation market may go up from here. So initially or in the first attempt, पहली बार में we can expect that market may face resistance and market may come down. As a day trader, we can look for a sell position, but eventually, because of the ongoing market sentiment, because of the hope that Strait of Hormuz is going to be reopened, we can expect eventually market will be going for a breakout, means market will be bullish again. So after some consolidation, we can expect breakout, means when market will be coming down, I am not expecting the market will be down completely, but there is a high chance that market will consolidate for 1 to 2 hours. So if you see that market is consolidating around 435063 for 2 to 3 hours, you can expect a breakout. When market will break 6364, we can look for a buy. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Overall, the market sentiment is positive right now because of the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. But market market open gap up, so there is a possibility of a gap filling as well, because we know that in all the markets around the world, market doesn't like gaps. So if you're stuck in a sell, when market will be coming down for gap filling, you can expect an exit. Okay, and as a day trader, you can look for a buy around the blue line here, which was the previous resistance. So if market takes support around 424540, we can look for a buy position. And during the day, especially before US session, due to low volume, if market takes support around 430005, we can look for a buy there as well. But as the market sentiment is bullish right now, so if market goes up from here, in the first attempt, there is a high chance that market may fail and market may come down. If market comes down after showing resistance, we can look for a sell position. But if we see market is consolidating and boom, going up, then there's a high chance that it will be a big breakout. So if you have any buy right now, you can hold your buy position, because right now at the time of recording the video in the Asian session, market sentiment is bullish. If market breaks 4300 later on, then you can exit from the buy position, because we will be confused again. And after all, US President Donald Trump, he's a very jolly person, and does a lot of things that that are very difficult to understand. Cannot say many things publicly. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.